Okay, I'm back for part 3, I think. Okay, we got this attached, and I have put my little label on the back here. I just decoupaged a bee, and handmade by Brooke Hudson. All right, and then I made this. This is going to be the spine piece. I'm going to glue that in. And I'm going to show you this pad of paper that I used. It's really cool. It's by Die Cuts with a View, Maps, Text, and Ledgers stack. And it has got some awesome paper in it. I'll kind of thumb through it. All these ledgers and script pages. And this right here is from one of those. Music notes, postcards, stamps, maps. It's awesome. So pick that up if you're a journaler. Pretty cool. Die Cuts with a View. All right. Then a piece of muslin, stamped a bee on it, sewed around, and then I attached just some little pieces of muslin on the back here. And then I had this little printout that I got off of Etsy, and tore it, glued it, sewed around. So let's glue it on. Don't have my Fabri-Tac ready again. I've been sitting here watching Law and Order SVU. It's kind of freaky. Okay, get all the edges. And after I get these on, I will seal it with that matte medium, but I'm not going to do that on camera. That would definitely be boring. And it'll take the shine out of that because I use Mod Podge on that. And this, I used tracing paper. Just thin, cheap tracing paper from Michaels. And my printer, I have an HP printer, and it just inkjet, and it just takes it without any issues. How cute is this? And let's burnish this down. I really don't want any glue to come seeping out. And I kind of left these loose so but they won't fray down to any more than the glue was already. And this stamp is just a block stamp. I think I got it at Michael's. All right, there is the spine. Cute, cute, cute. I love it. Okay. Then I made some, oh, I was like, what is that? I made some pockets. And here is another thing I purchased. Little gnomes, piece of that scrapbook paper again, another stamp on some muslin, sewed around, and then I have the 1/2-inch tabs. And I don't know if I want this one in the front or the back. And then I have this one. Another image I purchased off of Etsy. Scrapbook paper. Another stamp. Oh, and this stamp is a Tim Holtz, but it's a rubber. I do have the entomology set, but this one is a rubber one, and it's got like several, maybe 5 butterflies on it, and I just stamped it and cut them apart. Sewed around, zigzag. All right, let's get these in here. Where do I want? I think I want that one in the front. Yes. And I'm going to use my art glitter glue, and I have glued me a magnet right here to hold my pen. Just like that. Haha. Because I kept losing it. I'm gonna glue it here. And then see if I can get these to stick to each other. They probably will not. I'll just go ahead and glue it. This is some good glue. It's on May Made It, her website. And Amazon. It's on Amazon. And I'm going to leave those strings for now. I like strings. And once we have these pockets in, the cover is done. Stand up and see if I'm in frame. Okay. So exciting. It's so cute. I love gnomes. Okay. Can't find any gnome quotes though. I might have to read through that gnome book and see if there's something that they say so I can maybe put some words or inside the journal. I don't know. They could be real. You don't know. Alright, and then this one. And I like to add the tabs on the sides of the pockets because it gives you more room to put stuff in there instead of just gluing it flat. The art glitter glue does not give you the time to move like Fabri-Tac does. But my Fabri-Tac is giving me issues and I don't want to open another one until I use that up. Because they are not cheap. But I do use my coupon. Either at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Joann's. Joann's has the Fabri-Fix, which pretty much the same thing. Okay, here is our cover. Seam binding closures, pockets, spine piece, front, little handle, spine, and the back. And then like I said, I will seal it. It's looking pretty cute. And then the next bit will be doing the pages, the signatures. Okay, thanks for watching.